Hi everyone, welcome to this English video class. This is Sirisha. Children, in our last class we discussed Nasruddin's aim lesson and new words meanings in this lesson. Okay, now in this class we learn question and answers and word building topic. Okay, let us start. Our first topic is reading is fun. Here some question and answers are given. Our first question is, what did Nasruddin boast about? What did Nasruddin boast about? Now let us see our answer. Our answer can be, Nasruddin boasted about his skill in archery. Nasruddin boasted about his skill in archery. Okay children, I repeat, what did Nasruddin boast about? Nasruddin boasted about his skill in archery. Okay, now let us go to second question. Why did Nasruddin take someone else's name each time he missed the target? Okay, here, why did Nasruddin take someone else's name each time he missed the target? Because he did not want to accept his defeat in front of his friends. That means to save himself from the shame. That's why every time he took someone else's name. That is the reason. Okay, now let us see our answer. Answer can be, Nasruddin took someone else's name each time he missed the target because he did not want to accept his failure in front of his friends. I repeat answer once again. Nasruddin took someone else's name each time he missed the target because he did not want to accept his failure in front of his friends. Okay children, now let us go to third question. Why did Nasruddin say, it was my aim, the third time? I repeat, why did Nasruddin say it was my aim the third time? Our answer can be, Nasruddin said it was my aim the third time because the arrow had hit the target accurately. Nasruddin said it was my aim the third time because the arrow had hit the target accurately. Okay, let us go to fourth one. Do you think Nasruddin was good at archery? Do you think Nasruddin was good at archery? Our answer can be, no, Nasruddin was not good at archery. Okay, I repeat, no, Nasruddin was not good at archery. Okay children? So children, you have to write those question and answers in your CW. Now let us go to next topic, word building topic. Shoot the arrow and hit the target by matching the words with their correct meanings. Children, here some words are given to you. Now you have to match the words with their correct meanings. Already we discussed the new words meanings in our last class. Okay? So you have to match the words with their correct meanings. Our first word is charting. Our first word is charting. So charting meaning is talking informally. That means informal talk. Okay, talking informally or informal talk. So charting means talking informally. Next one is amazement. Amazement means great surprise. Amazement means great surprise. Next one is archery. Archery means shooting with a bow and arrow. So archery is a game shooting with a bow and arrow. Next one is defending. Defending means to protect himself from the harm or danger. So defending means protecting from attack. Defending means protecting from attack. Next one is target. Target means the goal intent to be hit. Target means the goal intent to be hit. Next one is triumphantly. Triumphantly meaning is happily and proudly. Okay, I repeat once again. Charting means talking informally. Amazement, great surprise. Archery, shooting with a bow and arrow. Defending, protecting from attack. Target, the goal intent to be hit. Triumphantly, happily and proudly. Okay children? Now let us go to next question in word building topic. Here, replace the bold word or words with a word from the queue and rewrite the sentence. Children, here some sentences are given. In these sentences, some bold words are there. Now, we have to choose correct word from the queue and rewrite the sentence. Okay. Here, our first sentence is, in no time, she hit the object she aimed at. Our first sentence is, in no time, she hit the object she aimed at. So here, bold word is object she aimed at. So here, target is the correct word. That's why we have chosen target from the queue. Okay. So now our answer can be, in no time, she hit the target. Okay. In no time, she hit the target. Our next sentence is, Nasruddin was surely not a good archer. Nasruddin was surely not a good archer. So here, correct word is certainly. That's why we have chosen certainly from the queue. And next our sentence is, Nasruddin was certainly not a good archer. Nasruddin was certainly not a good archer. Our third sentence is, the teacher said something about his good handwriting. He felt very happy. The teacher said something about his good handwriting. He felt very happy. Here we replaced the word said something about with remarked on. Okay. Here we have replaced the word said something about with remarked on. So our answer can be, the teacher remarked on his good handwriting. He felt very happy. Okay. The teacher remarked on his good handwriting. He felt very happy. So here target and certainly and remarked on. So these are correct words from the. So these are correct words. That's why we have chosen these words and rewrite the sentences. Okay, children. So children, you have to write these word building topics in your textbook. Okay, children. Take care of yourself. Bye.